Welcome students, welcome to Hobbies Creators. Myself I am Kirti teaching you Maths. So today in this video we are going to concentrate on class 7 chapter 1 integers exercise 1.4 problems. So we can move on to the video now. Coming on to first sum, our first sum given here is evaluate each of the following. So see here are questions from A to I. So we have to do one by one now. So we can start from the first one, A bit, okay. So see, it's really easy. First it is given minus 30 divided by 10. So first we can divide it and then we can see the signs, okay. So either I can divide by normal division like this, or else I can divide by fraction method, okay. Anything is possible here, okay. So minus, I'm just keeping this minus aside, okay. Let this minus be this side. I'm not inserting any minus in this question. So first listen to this now. So first I will do the normal division. 10 3s are is 30, right? So our answer is, what is the quotient? 3. So 3. We got minus in front, right? So we have to add that minus here. So minus 3, okay. Now we can do the fraction method. We can check whether we are getting the same answer or not, okay. So I am doing fraction method now. See, I can just cancel this 0 and this 0, right? So anything by 1, any number divided by 1 is the same number, right? You know that one. So I get the same 3 here. Since I have minus, so I am inserting minus. So we got our answer, right? So our answer for first one is minus 3. I hope you understand how I done this, right? Okay. Now we can do the second one. So B bit, 50 divided by minus 5, okay. So this is also same method. I am here going to use division method, okay, like fraction method, not normal division. I am going to use here fraction method. So moving on to B sum, 50 divided by minus 5. So here I told you that I will use normal division method as well as fraction method, right? So first I am going to use normal division method, that is 5 divided by 50. Let the sign be that side. So 5 tens are 50, right? So we are having only one sign, only one minus. So our answer is minus 10, correct? So now we can do the normal fraction method, that is 50 divided by 5. So we can cancel, right, in 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So our answer here is also minus 10, right? Here we are having only one minus and one plus. Plus into minus is minus. So our answer is minus 10, okay? I hope you understand. I have done in both method. So you can prefer which is convenient to you, okay? So now we can move on to C bit sum. So what's our answer for the second one? It is nothing but minus 10, okay? Now we can move on to C equation. It's very easy. See, here I am going to solve in fraction method, okay? So moving on to C bit, it is given minus 36 divided by minus 9. So first I won't consider the signs. I am just going to divide by a normal fraction method. If you want to divide by normal division, then you can, okay? So now I am going to cancel. 9 ones are, 9 fours are, right? I get. So my answer is, I got 4. Now I have to see signs. See here, minus and minus. What is minus into minus? Minus into minus is nothing but plus. So our answer will be in plus. So what's our answer here for C bit? Our answer is plus 4, okay. I have wrote only 4. Anything is right, right? So I hope you understand these three sums. Now we can move on to D bit, okay. So D bit, it's really very easy. See here we have the same number, that is minus 49 divided by 49. So I'll divide by normal fraction method. 49 divided by 49 is what? Will get cancelled, which is nothing but 1. So we're having one minus symbol here. So our answer is minus 1. I hope you understand, right? How did I got this? Okay. So now we can move on to E bit. So moving on to E bit, 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. See, first 4 questions we had only 2 numbers, that is something divided by some number, right? But here we are having 13 divided by, inside bracket we are having another 2 numbers. So we can do this sum carefully now. It's really easy, okay? So first 13 divided by, See, keep in mind, if you are having any numbers inside the bracket, then you have to just solve first bracket, okay? Then you have to come outside. So first I'm going to solve the bracket, that is minus 2 plus 1. It is given like this, right? So I'm solving this. So 13 divided by, what is minus 2 plus 1? Plus into minus is minus. So I have to subtract here, right? So while subtracting, I get my answer as 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. But I have to insert minus 1. Why I am inserting minus 1? Since 2 is the greater number, I have negative symbol for the greater number. So I am writing answer as my negative answer, okay? So 13 divided by minus 1. Now we can do normal fraction method. So 13 divided by 1. So any number divided by 1 is nothing but the same number. You know that one, right? So the same number. What sign we have here? We have minus sign. So our answer is minus 13. I hope you got how to do this, right? So our answer is minus 13 for E bit. Okay. Now we can move on to F bit. See here, F bit is really very easy. I don't want to solve this question. You know, right? In multiplication and division, if we multiply any number with 0, we'll get the same answer. And if we divide any number with 0, we'll get the same 0 as the answer, right? You know that one. So, no need of solving this F subdivision. I can just enter this answer as 0. 0 by anything is nothing but 0. You know that one, correct? So, now we can move on to G bit. Yeah, see, G bit also is the same. We are having minus 31 divided by, inside bracket we are having some numbers, right? That is minus 30 plus of minus 1. So we can solve this now. Come along with me and solve. So minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus into minus. See here, plus into minus is minus. So minus 1. So I get minus 31 divided by minus 31. Just I am adding this, okay? So after adding, I am going to solve in normal fraction method, okay? So 31 divided by 31, which is nothing but 1. So what sign I have to put here? I have to put only plus sign. Why? See here, we are having minus and minus. What is minus into minus? You get plus, right? So our answer here is plus 1, okay? So G subdivision answer is plus 1. Either you can write plus 1 or else you can write simply 1, okay? So now we can move on to the last, H subdivision, okay? So moving on to H subdivision, see here, we are having inside bracket division and outside also we are having division. Before two sums, that is on E and G, we saw inside bracket we were having subtraction or addition, right? But here we are having only division either inside bracket also. So we can do step by step now. So minus 36 divided by 12. Bracket is closed and then divided by 3. So what I told you, we have to solve the bracket first, right? So I'm going to solve this bracket. That is, it is given as minus 36 divided by 12. So I will solve this side. I will solve by a normal fraction method, okay? So 36 divided by 12. Let this minus be this side, okay? I'll just circle it. Only one minus we are having. So here what can I do? I can cancel it, right? I can cancel in 3 tables. So 3 4s are 3 12s are, right? 3 12s are 36. And then I can cancel further on, right? So 4 1s are and 4 3s are. So what's the answer? Which is nothing but 3 by 1. So anything by 1 is nothing but the same number, right? So we get minus 3, right? We are having this minus, so I am inserting here minus, okay? So our answer is minus 3 divided by 3. So we got our answer for this one is minus 3 divided by 3. So now we are doing this one in normal fraction method. So we get 3 divided by 3 is nothing but 1. Correct? You know that is 1. So what 1? It's simply 1 or minus 1. We get our answer as minus 1. Why? We are having a minus symbol here, right? So we get our answer as minus 1. So our answer for H bit is nothing but minus 1. Okay? I hope you understand this H bit. So now we can move on to last one. So answer for H bit is minus 1. Okay? So now we can move on to the last one, that is I bit. Yeah. So moving on to I bit now. See here we are having 2 brackets. So you will have doubt which bracket should I solve first. You can do this both the brackets at the same time. So I am going to do this now here. So listen carefully. Minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so we can solve this step by step now. So we get, see, first I am doing this bracket. Okay, listen carefully. Minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So we get, what is minus 6 plus 5? 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5? We get 1. But we have to insert minus, right? So minus 1 because 6 is greater. So minus 1 divided by, what is 2 minus 1? It is nothing but 1. The greater symbol is minus. So minus 1. So we get our answer minus 1 divided by minus 1. See, I am going to do this in fraction method. 1 divided by 1 is nothing but, we will cancel, we get the same 1. See here we have minus and minus. What is minus into minus? It is nothing but plus, right? So our answer here is plus 1. I hope you got the answer, right? So you have to do like this step by step, okay? So our answer for I bit is plus 1. I hope you understand this. Thank you.